Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing some card making ideas with the card kit of the month from Spellbinders. First, you're going to view some of the cards that I made with this kit. They were super easy to make, and then you'll see my unboxing video where I show you the papers, the dies, stamps, and cutouts that you get with this kit from Spellbinders. And I also share the add-ons that you can purchase a la carte from this card kit. I hope that you like my card making ideas, and please remember to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so that you could come back to my channel for more paper crafts and inspiration. I also want to mention that you're going to find some of my cards for sale on my website. Check out the links below. Enjoy the video.